Text Styles is a new default effect for styling your text or even your image in GIMP 3, and it's super versatile. To access it, just hit the / key, type text style, and you'll see the Gaggle style option pop up, or go to filters, then generic, and select text styling. There you go. This feature is packed with tools, and you can see them in the Gaggle Styles panel. Let's start with the color, outline, and shadow section. Here, you can add an outline to your text or image and tweak its opacity with multiple levels to make it stronger or softer. It's set to full strength by default. You can shift the outline's position using various outline X and Y settings, choose from different outline grow shapes like circle, square, or diamond, and adjust the outline grow radius with several options to make the outline larger or smaller. The outline blur radius offers multiple settings, starting at none for a sharp look, but you can increase it for a softer edge and pick from a range of outline colors to match your design. There's also a shadow glow option with various opacity levels, currently off, but you can turn it up to add a shadow or glow, adjust its position with different shadow glow X and Y values, and increase the shadow glow blur radius across multiple settings to make it softer or sharper. You can also choose from a wide range of shadow glow colors to fit your style. At the top, you can switch between different modes. Let's go to bevel and inner glow. In the bevel section, enable bevel to give your text a 3D look. You can choose from various bevel depth settings to make the 3D effect more or less pronounced. Adjust the bevel elevation and bevel azimuth with multiple angles to play with the lighting direction, and tweak the bevel radius across several options to make it sharper or softer. Next, there's inner glow with plenty of customization. Turn it on to add a glow or shadow inside your text. The inner glow's blur radius offers various settings to make the glow softer or sharper, and the grow radius provides multiple options to control how far it spreads. Its opacity comes with several levels, set to full by default, and you can pick from a wide range of colors. If it looks off, tweak the inner glow's unmodified pixel fix with different values to smooth out any issues until it's just right. Finally, switch to the image upload and outline bevel section. You can upload an image as an overlay for your text or outline, adjusting its opacity across multiple levels to full strength or less, and tweak saturation and lightness with various settings to change its look. You can also enable outline bevel to give your outline a 3D effect, with several bevel depth options to make it stronger or subtler, with its own opacity adjustable across multiple levels, set to full by default. So that's text styles in GIMP 3. This is a non-destructive effect, meaning you can change and adjust the effect later on, giving you full flexibility to experiment. Whether it's titles, logos, or random edits, this tool's got you covered. Give it a shot and see what you can create.